everyone, I'm now at the Shanghai Metro Station in Lujiazui, Pudong area. So you can behind me there a piano. It is called Play Me, I'm Yours. It's an artwork created by a British artist. And this time has been introduced into Shanghai subway station. So everyone who can play music can play the piano and deliver their love for music and also for the city.
我是轨交公安民警，平时呢就是在地铁站里面巡逻的。因为我知道陆家嘴地铁站最近有这样一个可以弹琴的机会啊，而且我也会弹琴，所以今天赶在上班之前就过来体验一下在公共场合下面弹琴的感觉。
我感觉在大家面前表演节目很高兴。
我喜欢，而且大家会给我鼓掌、点赞、拍照。
It's really cool, so it's nice to stop and like enjoy.